Oh my god, I went to Oakley's launch event yesterday for their new collection. The collection's name is called Chemical Vision. It's about what? The collection is inspired by Oakley's innovative spirit and references the vibrant history of Oakley's home market, like California, drawing inspirations from the tie-dye boom popular throughout the 1960s. Each piece of the collection represents a vibrant pattern, and they launched like a limited edition of the sunglasses. Like they launched 150 pairs of sunglasses as a limited edition. I got the 101st one. I got this whole box. I was invited yesterday, so they gave me a box of the new collection, which I'm going to show you guys because I really love it. I really love the color, like the tie-dye color. It's really unique. Every piece is different. So this is the poster, small poster. Yes, this is the box. The box is a little bit simple, I think, but I don't know. This is my first pair of Oakleys, and this collection is only available at the sizes. As you can see from the package, it's only at the size. This is a store in London, which they have a website. If you want to buy something, you can also check their website. So it's only on this website. And this pair of sunglasses, the price is £130. This is the glasses. I don't have any sports styles like sunglasses. This is my first pair. I think it's really cool. I mean, it covers your face perfectly, like blocks the UV, blocks the sun. I think it's really cool, and it's not really dark. I mean, check the detail of the tie-dye. I think it's really cool and unique. You see? It's really cool. They customized my name on the lenses, like here. I don't know if here. My name, Jacob. And they only took a minute to make my name on it. I think it's really cool. And here, this part is like rubber. I don't know if it's rubber, but it's really, see, it's soft, so you can move it, and it's really comfortable when you put it on your ear. Check here the identical number here. 101st. Mine is 101st pair. I have a whole box of stuff here, so let me check the other item. Yeah, the other item is a hat. It's a hat. If you follow my Instagram, you might notice that I never wear a hat. I never wear a hat because my face, if I wear a hat, it would look like strange. I don't look good in hats, so normally I don't wear a hat. But this hat, I think, is really cool. The color is really nice. Although the price is not on the tag, but I remember the price is like 30 pounds. I think it's a good price. And inside is like this. I can try it on for you guys, but I'm not gonna look good, I think. You know, I think I look fine, right? It's like I'm going outdoors to have a trip. Friend comment on my Instagram said she really likes this hat. I said I can give it to you, and she said no, my face too big. I cannot have it. I don't look good in it. I mean, come on. Then don't comment below saying you want it and you like it. So if you guys like this hat, I might give it to you. Please comment below on my Instagram and also comment below on my YouTube, and also subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram. So I might do a giveaway for this hat. If you guys think I should, please comment below. And yeah, this hat, I think I quite like it. The other piece I think is quite interesting is this bag. The other thing I think is quite cool, I think, is this bag. The color is really nice. The red and the blue, the yellow, the tie-dye texture texture. It really shows. And there's many pockets here. You can have one pocket here, so you can put your card. You can have the second pocket here. You can put your maybe I don't know. And here is another pocket. You can put your wallet, sunglasses, camera, lipsticks, and also there's two small pocket. You can put your keys maybe, and also there's another pocket. You can put some important things like you don't want to lose, like the credit card or something. It's quite big actually. It's not that small, right? I think it's not that small, so you can wear also like this way or this way. Yeah, you can wear both ways. I think it looks really cool. I'm gonna put the links below of this collection if you want to buy it. And also please comment below if you want to go to any like event with me, like the Fashion Week, London Fashion Week, it's coming soon, and or other fashion events. If you are interested, please message me on Instagram and follow me, and I will let you know if there's any future like events coming on, like I can bring you with me if you are in London. So the last item I'm gonna show is this jacket. This jacket is so cool. It's really cool. Same element of the whole collection, like the tie-dye element, and it's really soft, and also I think it's waterproof, and also let me try if it's waterproof. Oh no, it's not waterproof. Okay, it's not waterproof, but it definitely blocks the wind because it's the material is really it's for sportswear, so I think it blocks the wind. This one I think is 130 pounds. Just check the different colors. So it become a fashion piece, not just a sportswear, you know. Like the model wear it like this way, but I think this looks too normal. I prefer to wear it like this way, so it looks like a cooler, like. And together with this bag, I think. Let me try it because I got this one like yesterday, so I haven't tried it yet. But I think this jacket with this bag, I think it's too much. Better pair with another bag, like better to style this with another bag, like the Louis Vuitton or other bag like that's not so colorful because you want to showcase your jacket. But you can definitely wear it with sunglasses. It looks really cool. I think it's really cool. I mean, I like it. I like it, don't you? So let me know what you think of this collection, and if you want this hat, please also follow my Instagram and comment below if you want this hat. Should I do a giveaway? Because I don't normally wear hats. I might take a picture with it, but I don't normally wear a hat because it also like damaged my hairstyle. So this is today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and please always love you guys. Bye bye.